So dear students, today we perform velocity of flow by using pitot tube. So apparatus is pitot tube. Our intention is to find out the velocity of the flow. So formula is very simple. Velocity of the flow V is equal to root over 2gh, where h is manometer pressure difference and g is gravity. Displacement of g is gravity, and here the displacement of the pitot tube is very essential. So basically we displace our pitot tube from the bottom to the top. In the middle you will get maximum velocity. After that you have to plot a graph. This is linear displacement. This is linear displacement of the pitot tube, right? And this is the velocity. So in the middle you will get the maximum velocity. Basically at the wall of the pipe, velocity is minimum, or you can say velocity is almost zero. So gradually when your pitot tube will move from the wall to the middle portion, it will move. So this is your maximum level. Again it will come down. So let's try to do the experiment in the apparatus. So this is the pitot tube apparatus. So here you will get one U-tube manometer. So this particular manometer gives you the difference in the pressure. So here you have to find out the difference. Okay, and the water is come from this tank to this motor. It is attached with one small centrifugal pump. It is go through this pipe, and this is your pitot tube attachment. So you can move this pitot tube. You can move this pitot tube. So in the middle here it is mentioned that this is 0. 0 means in the middle, and it can move up to 20, 30, 40 like that. So by displacing this pitot tube in a linear displacement, you will get different pressure. Again, this particular pressure can be adjusted by using this valve. So discharge valve, by using this also you can change the velocity. So let's try to perform one experiment. In this attachment you will find this valve. This particular valve is given here to release the air inside the U-tube manometer. And if you observe here, this particular pipe is attached to this here, and another one is in this top. So this gives you the difference. Okay, that is the top is in the middle of the pipe. In the middle of the pipe, you will get what will be the velocity, what is the pressure created when the water coming out from here. It will strike in the small orifice of the pitot tube, and after coming out from that, you will get the difference. So this difference is essential, and this difference is nothing but h. If you find out, if you are able to find out the h, you can easily find out the velocity also. So by using this, you have to take the reading. So here you have to take the readings only, and then so if you see, this is your 160. This is 100 and this is 110. So if you change the displacement, you will get different reading of this one. So I give you the observation table. From there you have to find out the velocity. Dear students, after performing the experiment, we are getting certain readings there. So here if you observe the displacement of pitot tube, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0, 0 means at the center, then again 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is already given in the pitot tube attachment. So here you have to find out the manometer difference, that is in millimeter. So for the first reading, your manometer difference is 2 mm. Now you have to convert this 2 mm into meter. This is 0.002 meter. Similarly, for the second reading, it is 3 mm, so 0.003 meter. Third reading, corresponding to 20 displacement, it is 4 mm. Next one is 5 mm. And at the center, where the position of the pitot tube in the middle of the pipe, which is treated as a 0, okay, and that is the maximum, that is 20 mm, so 0.02. And similarly, next reading is 5 mm, 4 mm, 3 mm, 2 mm. So you have to convert those one into meter. After that, you have to find out the velocity. As you know, velocity v is root over 2gh. So if you find out the h, you will find from here, you will get the h. Z is known to you, so you can easily find out the velocity. So after finding out the velocity, you will get one, you have to plot one graph actually. So graph is basically this displacement of this. So this is called linear displacement. Linear displacement of the pitot tube. Here velocity. So here you get the graph like this. So in the middle, the velocity is maximum. So that is the experiment. I hope you understand the whole setup. Thank you.